In the second ODI on November 17, 2024, Sri Lanka defeated New Zealand by 3 wickets at Hagley Oval, Christchurch. New Zealand, 267 eighths, Kane Williamson 82, Dilshan Madushanka 347s. Sri Lanka, 277s in 48.4 overs, Kusal Mendis 92, Trent Boult 348s. Sri Lanka leads the series 2-0. Sri Lanka vs New Zealand, second ODI first innings highlights. Over 0, 0.3, Aseta Fernando to Will Young, 4, overpitched and wide off, Young leans into the drive-through cover. Over 1, 1.2, Velalich to Tim Robinson, 4, full on the pads, swept behind square for a boundary. 1.4, Velalich to Tim Robinson, wicket, bowled. Robinson plays around a slider, castle through the gate. Robinson 4 of 4. Over 3, 3.4, Velalich to Will Young, 4, short and wide, cut square past point. Over 4, 4.1, Aseta Fernando to Nicholls, 4, short and wide, Nicholls cuts square past point. Over 8, 8.0, Tikshana to Nicholls, wicket, slider traps Nicholls with an inside edge onto the stumps. Nicholls 8 of 23. 8.2, Velalich to Chapman, 4, short and wide, Chapman cuts in front of square. Over 12, 12.1, Velalich to Will Young, 4, full and straight, Young slog sweeps behind square. 12.4, Velalich to Will Young, 1 run, driven to long off. Over 13, 13.5, Janet Lianich to Chapman, 4, shot on the body, pulled over mid-wicket. Over 15, 15.5, Janet Lianich to Chapman, 4, slapped down the ground past the bowler. Over 16, 16.2, Windesay to Will Young, 1 run, chipped down the ground, mid-on spills the catch. 16.5, Windesay to Will Young, wicket, stumped. Young steps out but is beaten by spin. Young 26 of 40. Over 20, 20.0, Asalanka to Chapman, 4, short and wide, cut past cover. 20.2, Windesay to Phillips, 3 runs, pulled flat, but Tikshana spills it at deep square. Over 21, 21.2, Asalanka to Phillips, 4, thick edge through vacant slip. Over 22, 22.5, Windesay to Chapman, 4, sliced over backward point, Tikshana Musfields. Over 23, 23.1, Asalanka to Phillips, wicket, caught at deep square leg by Avishka. Phillips 15 of 22. Over 24, 24.5, Windesay to Mitch Hay, 1 run, pushed too long on, brings up NZ's 100. Over 29, 29.5, Asalanka to Mitch Hay, reviewed for LBW but umpire's call on impact saves him. Over 30, 30.3, Velalich to Mitch Hay, 4, swept powerfully past backward square. 31.0, Velalich to Chapman, 6, hoisted over mid-wicket, brings up Chapman's 50. Over 32, 32.3, Windesay to Mitch Hay, 4, under-edged sweep past short fine leg. Over 33, 33.4, Aseta Fernando to Chapman, 4, pulled in front of square. Over 34, 34.1, Windesay to Chapman, 6, googly pulled over cow corner. 34.2, Windesay to Chapman, 1 run, chipped but mid-wicket spills it. Over 35, 35.1, Tikshana to Mitch Hay, 4, reverse swept past short third. 35.3, Tikshana to Chapman, 4, heaved past deep square. Over 36, 36.1, Aseta Fernando to Chapman, wicket, caught brilliantly by Avishka at deep mid-wicket. Chapman 76 of 81. 36.5, Aseta Fernando to Bracewell, wicket, caught at mid-wicket. Bracewell 0 of 4. Over 37, 37.2, Windesay to Santner, 2 runs, chipped to mid-off, dropped by Nissanka. Over 40, 40.1, Windesay to Santner, wicket, caught by Nissanka at long off. Santner 6 of 15. 40.2, Windesay to Nathan Smith, wicket, LBW to a googly. Smith 0 of 1. Over 43, 43.2, Tikshana to Sodhi, 4, whipped to backward square. 43.3, Tikshana to Sodhi, wicket, stumped as Sodhi overbalances. Sodhi 9 of 12, over 44, 44.2, Asita Fernando to Mitch Hay, 4, Yorker pushed to long on, Musfield allows the boundary. 44.4, Asita Fernando to Jacob Duffy, 4, top edge pull lands short of fine leg. Over 45, 45.1, Tikshana to Mitch Hay, wicket, reverse sweeps, caught behind by Kusal Mendes. Hay 49 off 62. New Zealand all out for 209 runs. New Zealand and Sri Lanka's second OD, second innings highlight. Over 1, 1.1 Jacob Duffy to Nissanka, 4, back of a length and wide, Nissanka cuts past cover. 1.5 Jacob Duffy to Nissanka, 4, pull short wide of mid-wicket. Over 2, 2.3 Santner to Avishka Fernando, 4, edged wide of slip. Over 3, 3.4 Jacob Duffy to Nissanka, 4, swivels and pulls over mid-wicket. Over 4, 4.3 Santner to Avishka Fernando, out, sweeps and top edges to deep square leg. 4.3 Santner to Nissanka, 4, slog sweep with a top edge that reaches the ropes. Over 6, 6.3 Santner to Nissanka, 4, slog sweep with a massive top edge. 6.4 Santner to Nissanka, review, not out, LBW appeal, umpire's call on hitting. Over 7, 7.4 Michael Bracewell to Kusal Mendes, review, not out, LBW appeal, umpire's call on impact. Over 9, 9.5 Michael Bracewell to Nissanka, out, chips to mid-on, caught. Over 11, 11.2 Michael Bracewell to Kamindu Mendes, out, edges to slip. 11.5 Michael Bracewell to Asalanka, 4, edged past slip. Over 12, 12.4 Santner to Kusal Mendes, 4, swept fine to the ropes. Over 15, 15.1 Michael Bracewell to Asalanka, 4, lofted over mid-on. 15.3 Michael Bracewell to Asalanka, out, sliced to short third man. Over 16, 16.4 Ish Sodhi to Kusal Mendes, 4, full toss swept to square leg. Over 20, 20.2 Ish Sodhi to Kusal Mendes, 4, full toss swiped wide of mid-wicket. Over 21, 21.2 Phillips to Samara Vikrama, out, extra bounce edges to the keeper. Over 22, 22.4 Ish Sodhi to Kusal Mendes, 4, loopy full toss swept to square leg. Over 27, 27.1 Phillips to Janit Lianaj, 4, drives past sweeper cover. Over 32, 32.3 Santner to Velalaj, buys 4, beats the bat and keeper. Over 33, 33.2 Nathan Smith to Velalaj, 4, uppercut to third man. 33.3 Nathan Smith to Velalaj, 4, stabbed past extra cover. 33.4 Nathan Smith to Velalaj, 4, cuts behind square. Over 34, 34.1 Michael Bracewell to Kusal Mendes, 50, single to long on. Over 35, 35.1 Phillips to Kusal Mendes, 4, pulled through mid-wicket. Over 36, 36.1 Michael Bracewell to Velalaj, out, lofted to mid-on, caught. Over 38, 38.2 Michael Bracewell to Tikshana, 4, driven through covers. Over 40, 40.3 Jacob Duffy to Tikshana, 6, uppercut to deep backward point. 40.5 Jacob Duffy to Kusal Mendes, 4, timed on drive to mid-on. Over 41, 41.2 Phillips to Tikshana, 4, driven square of the wicket. Over 43, 43.2 Phillips to Kusal Mendes, 1 run, cut to deep cover. Sri Lanka close to victory. Finally Sri Lanka achieved the targeted runs and won 3 wicket. Finally I requesting you to please like and subscribe my channel.